Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Lydia likes Sam, but Sam likes fishing, so she'll choose Richard for a fee. The doctor is busy, he's at the golf course,
but Nancy can kiss it to make it 12.
Randy and Anne are always in trouble. Fred the beggar never feels very well. If you need help, the policeman is there. The lifeguard is watching over beach and sea. Come and fly to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be.
I see it's lunchtime.
Why, yes, it is. What are you having for lunch?
Ooh, I'd say lettuce and turkey with a touch of mustard. Am I right?
No, you're not. This is my sandwich.
Oh, but it's a very big sandwich. You could share.
Now you're starting to sound exactly like Nancy.
Now tell me, what was the professor telling you? I saw you two talking. You were laughing pretty hard. He must have told you a good joke.
He told me a story about Randy.
Was Randy in trouble again?
Randy can't stop telling jokes. Randy's told the class a funny story about his Aunt Lydia.
What did he say?
Yesterday, the students were studying animals.
What does that have to do with Lydia?
Listen, and I'll tell you. And I might even give you a bite of my sandwich. But probably not.
Are the rest of you finished? Anne, Randy, are you finished?
Yes, Professor.
Oh, Anne, that's very good. Who can tell me what this is a picture of? Randy, can you?
Yes, sir. It's a lion.
Exactly. And a very nice-looking lion, too. Randy, do you like your sister's picture?
I'd be lying if I said I did.
Well, let's see your picture. Who can tell me what this is a picture of? Anne?
It looks like a gorilla.
I think you're right. It looks sort of like a gorilla. Randy, is this a gorilla?
No, it's a picture of Anne.
Students, please, Randy, you have to stop joking. This is a classroom. We're here to study.
I'm sorry, Professor. I'll try and make a better picture next time.
Now, let's talk about pets. I'm sure many of you have pets, and you like to kiss them. It's very dangerous to kiss your pets. Can someone give an example of the danger of kissing your pet? Yes, Randy?
My Aunt Lydia had a parrot, and it could speak 3 different languages: English, French, and Korean. It could also sing.
That's quite remarkable. Must have been very valuable.
Yes, sir. The parrot cost $500. It was a gift from her boyfriend, Sam. Aunt Lydia loved the parrot so much that she used to kiss it all the time.
That's not right. She didn't kiss that bird.
Now, Anne, give Randy a chance to finish. Randy, what happened when your Aunt Lydia kissed the parrot?
It died.
Died? Hardly.
Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be. There's no fishing on Cartoon Island, but there's a party almost every night.
There's so much fun on Cartoon Island.
You never want to go back home again. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be.